Let's play Clementine. I like to play it in the key of C, so you can join me on your C chord and your G7 chord. Make sure you're familiar with both of those and feel comfortable moving back and forth between them before we get started. We're in waltz time, so we're going to have these kind of little beats that we count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But notice I'm strumming on the 1. That's because our chord pattern is going to be sort of built from these 4 big beats for each line. For example, the first line I'm going to start on C. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. Switch to G7. I call that a leading pattern, leading to that next chord. Second line, we're going to go seesawing back and forth between G7, back to C, 2, 3, G7, back to C. So altogether, you can think of it as 2 4-beat phrases or 1 8-beat phrase. Once again, it's a 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, switch, G7, 4, G7, switch to C, back to G7, back to C. And you might want to try a strum pattern with it if you want. You can always stick with those single strums, but if you want to try a waltz strum, it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 8. And you'll notice I'm swinging that beat. So not an even beat, there's sort of a lilt to it. One more time. 1, 2, 3, switch to 4, 5, switch to 6, switch to 7, switch to 8. Right? And it's that same pattern throughout the entire song. So let's give it a go. We'll play through it one more time as an intro, and then we'll start the song. Starting on C. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever. Dreadful sorry, Clementine, in a cavern, in a canyon, excavating for a mine, dwelt a miner, 49er, and his daughter Clementine. Light she was and like a fairy, and her shoes were number 9. Herring boxes without topses, sandals were for Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever. Dreadful sorry, Clementine. Drove she ducklings to the water every morning just at 9. Hit her foot against a splinter, fell into the foaming brine. Ruby lips above the water, blowing bubbles soft and fine. But alas, I was no swimmer, so I lost my Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever. Dreadful sorry, Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever. Dreadful sorry, Clementine.